Welcome to Pantry Raid. This time it's a special dessert edition. We've dug through the refrigerator to find more things that weren't in the pantry. We've got 3 chocolates with us today. The first one is this tin of chocolate that we got, was gifted to us in Taiwan in 2000 and...
Who knows?
When was your...
Well, 4 years ago, 4 or 5 years ago.
So it's probably plenty fresh. It's called the Choquito World Premium Chocolate, and it's Belgian, but it's been labeled in Taiwan, so it right over what it tells us it is. So we have actually no idea what this is, except these appear to be anime characters on the...
It's going to be delicious.
It's going to be delicious. Yeah. Let's see. All right, so packed inside, you can see it has never been opened. I actually took the outer wrap on it a little while ago, but the inside is still...
It's fancy.
Oh yeah, this is definitely... We're in Poseur chocolate day today. All of these are Poseur chocolates to varying degrees.
Look at that.
I had to tear the paper too. All right.
You got like little chocolates with anime characters.
Ugly anime characters, all ugly anime characters. This is the cutest one of the bunch, and I'm not qualified to say what's cute. So, so let's try it.
Okay.
This I don't know.
Just
Toei Animation. Okay, so if somebody recognizes these characters, I don't actually care, but you might recognize them, and if you do, I don't care.
No design on the chocolate. Well,
Then
they are
gold.
just like.
There's gold inside
boxes.
after you get past the thing. And that bad, huh? Dark chocolate? Must be dark chocolate. Wow, smells like dark chocolate.
Just for your information, a lot of chocolate dessert in Taiwan or dark chocolate.
All dark chocolate.
So if you go buy chocolate cakes, they're all dark chocolate.
Oh, not even good chocolate cake.
It's good for you.
Yeah. If I wanted to drink coffee, I'd drink coffee. I don't like dark coffee. I also don't like dark chocolate. This is dark chocolate. It's edible, though. With a big, big glass of milk, it would be edible.
So we still got a bunch of squares and...
So that one does not go in the garbage. We will actually eat that one, or I will force my way to eat this one, however. Ghirardelli's American for Poseur chocolate. This, I hate Ghirardelli's chocolate.
They're all right.
Frankly, it's so lackluster, and everyone's like, "Ooh, it's like the fancy my ass." All right, this one is Cabernet Matinee, which sounds like the stupidest chocolate since they did bacon in chocolate. Intense dark. So right off the bat, it's gonna be bad. Cabernet Matinee, dark chocolate infused with natural blackberry and grape flavor with other natural flavors. So chocolate for people who don't like chocolate. So we tear to open here. Well, that I tore and it's not open. So I don't know what the deal is there. This one doesn't stand a chance in hell of us liking. I mean, it certainly doesn't stand a chance in hell of anything I like. By the way, teachers get gifts from parents.
Like chocolate.
Like chocolate. So that's what it is. Oh, God, look at the size of those squares. Oh, that's going to be a chore.
Or Starbucks coffee.
Oh, yeah. Lots of Starbucks coffee. There you go. All right.
If I drink Starbucks,
smell it first.
Oh. Very
purple.
Fake.
Very purple. It smells purple, like cough syrup. Okay. 3, 2, 1.
The whole thing?
Oh. is better than it smells, but is not good.
The chocolate doesn't taste as dark, the other one.
No, because the berry overwhelms it.
And if you ever try those medicine for babies, that's what it tastes like. Sorry, babies, if you have to take medicine.
I ate it though. Not the rest of this.
The chocolate melts.
Mm-hmm. And finally, numero tres. Ghirardelli's milk chocolate, sea salt, and almond. Now, right off the bat, like I said, I don't really like Ghirardelli's chocolate, but their milk chocolate's better than their dark chocolate because all milk chocolate is better than dark chocolate. So that gives me hope. I actually genuinely love almonds in chocolate. So chocolate and almonds sounds promising. That's why I've saved this one for last. Sea salt?
Make it sweeter.
How would salt make it sweeter?
Well, some of the dessert they ask you to like put salt on it.
On watermelon, but other than that,
Not
never.
watermelon.
Anyway, you know, almonds get salted. I don't know, honestly, if you have a chocolate with almonds, whether the almonds are salted almonds or not. So it could be nothing more than chocolate with almonds, but here we go.
Open it up.
Inside, it's identical to the other one, so we need to make sure. Oh, this one's may have been broken already. Wasn't. You don't actually, you have to actually tear this foil.
Ooh, that looks good.
It looks like a Nestle's Crunch. Here, you take the small one.
Okay. It looks good.
Here we go. You can actually see the little bits of crushed up almond in there.
Back there.
All right. And 3, 2, oh, smell it.
Like milk chocolate.
3, 2, 1.
It's good. I will eat it. If we don't.
I don't taste any salt.
It's all blended in.
We don't know how old these are, to be fair. It tastes a bit stale to me.
A little bit.
Mm-hmm. It would be tolerable.
It's best before November 30th, 2017. 3 years ago. Okay, 2.5.
It's a little...
Yes, the almond has that, you know, the almond...
Old almond flavor.
Old almond flavor, yep.
Mm-hmm. The
But-
organics are breaking down.
But it's not bad. If someone gave me this chocolate, I would eat it.
Someone did give you that chocolate, and you didn't eat it for 3+ years. So, however, if someone gave me this chocolate in the future, I actually would. I wouldn't be. It doesn't. How do I put this? The almond overcomes the bad flavor of Ghirardelli's chocolate. Now, that's just all there is to it. Ghirardelli's is that yuck European style flavor to it, which is why European chocolate sucks too. But it does.
Ooh.
Somebody ate a Cadbury's and said, "This is good chocolate." Oh God, no. Anyway, the almond kind of takes that out of it, that cloying, sickly sweet, and maybe the salt does too. I don't know, but anyway.
All right.
That's it for this one. Next time, something not this, because now this is gone and will never be replenished. That's the beauty of these videos. We're cleaning out the fridge. on our pantry raids. Or the pantry, or the freezer.